Hey there, Andrew. C1D Paintball, this game being played at Warzone Paintball, Rigaud, Quebec. We are playing on the base field. It's a team deathmatch. On this day where we came out, it was overcast at first and it was like light rain. It was supposed to rain really hard, but it didn't till the end of the day. This is the end of the day. We figure we just want to play one more. And we figure, you know what, it's pouring kind of right now. Let's go out there and have a little fun. I wouldn't want to play in this kind of rain for like 2 hours because that would be a little too much. But it's like, you know what, we're not really that wet from what because it wasn't raining hard before this, just a little bit. Plus we were under the forest. But we're kind of in the open here. It's starting to rain hard, but it's like, you know what, let's go play one. Let's get rid of the balls we got left. We ended up playing 3. But this is the first one. There's only one stop I'll put in it, but it's me and Connor on opposite teams, so you get our point of view. At one point you'll see Connor trying to climb up a retaining wall, just a little hill retaining wall, on the north part of the field. You can see he kind of struggles to get up there, no kidding. Starting to get muddy, everybody's wet in that. Anyway, it's a fun one, let's watch.
Is it going to run across? I might die right away, but I'm just trying to stop the push. Yep. One right in front of me!
Watch that corner. Keep her on the corner, good. Whoa, Mike!
What? I got Norm! You pushed back!
Oh, I'm going the other direction now.
My dad's at the red container on the left. Never mind. Red container. He's on the left corner. No, I think he's done. Yeah, I'm alive. I killed Norm. The guy at the rental suit's on the left container. He's still there.
Okay, so this is important. This is the one break in the game. I've heard Connor talking and everything, and I figure he is behind this barrier, because I saw even smoke coming out from the marker when you shoot it, and you see a little puff of smoke. And I figure he's there, so I want to run around here and flank him. I hear other talking. There's probably other players there or in the area, but I think I can run around and flank him. But here's the thing. Connor isn't there. Connor's actually up here. Obviously there's somebody where I saw that puff of smoke come out. That's Nick. And there's yet another player, Mike, who's on the left side of this here. So, you see the writing on the wall? Yeah, I'm gonna go in and just wipe him out. I don't want to lie to you, so let's watch.
Hit! Dude, I was gonna flank both of you. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Oh.
Bro, y'all didn't see that.
Dad! Dad! Did you run across?
I took out Mike over there.
It was you.
I wanted to get both of you. I didn't know he was there. I saw the white smoke from behind it. It's like, I think I can get around to get Connor. And all of a sudden, boom.
Yeah.
Hit that light.
Are you trying to break something? I was on the side.
Oh, you want to do it again? Have we got anybody left? Yeah, why not? Why not?
So that's this one. Mike and I trade out, and with Connor kind of directing everybody, Nick ends up coming in, sweeping through the container. Orange team wins. As I mentioned to start the game, we're just going to play one in the rain. We're going to play two more. Those will be two other videos. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks a lot. Remember, at the end of the day, it's just a game.
Watch that corner. Keep your eye on that corner. Good. Whoa, Mike. What? Oh, I'm going the other direction now. Graceful. Hit! Dude, I was gonna flank both of you. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Oh.
One right in front of me! I got Norm! He pushed back! My dad's at the red container on the left. Never mind. Red container. He's on the left corner. No, I think he's gone. Yeah, I'm alive. I killed Norm. The guy with the rental suit's on the left container. Still there. Dad! Dad! Did you run across?
Game over.